Hey y'all, I hope you all are doing well on today. Thank you so much for coming through to watch another one of my videos. In today's video, I wanted to show you all a wig from this company called Luvme Hair. Big thank you to them for sending me out this wig. They sent me out a it was a 5x5 closure. I'm sorry. It was a 22-inch and the texture was body wave. I'll be sure to show y'all that shortly. Here I'm just showing y'all an unboxing of the things I got in my box. They sent me a edge brush. Y'all saw the pamphlet before this scene. I also got a scarf, a silk scarf. We love those. This was a mirror. I thought it was really cute. It has their logo on the back. And this is the wig, y'all. It came in their pretty mesh bag. And this is the wig. The knots came already bleached. It came with an elastic band already attached. And it has combs in it as well as an adjustable band. It fit really, really snug. So all I had to do was pluck it just a little bit and style it. All right, y'all, so I'm doing some flexi rods today. Y'all know that's one of my favorite styles to do. This time I'm using the smaller flexi rods. I cannot for the life of me think of the size of these, but I'm gonna put the sizing in the description box for you all, for anybody that's curious. But for me, I always like to wet my hair. If I'm not working on it where it's already wet, I'll go back and wet it, and then I'll add some Lotta Body mousse to it, or yeah, Lotta Body foam wrap mousse to it to help my curls hold better. And yeah, I just do this this motion, put the water on, put the mousse on, and then roll it up with the flexi rods. Just one more. That's all it's gonna take. If I take one more drink, who else, T-Pain? You too. And this is the wig about 4 hours later, I want to say. I did put mine under a hooded dryer. If you don't have one, you can definitely do yours overnight and then take yours out the next day, or use a handheld one, whichever you prefer. Mine, they were dry for the most part. I had a couple that were a little wet, but not like crazy wet. So I had to go in with a small little curling one to reinforce some of my like one or two curls. But yeah, this is me taking them out. I was separating them as I went, some, not a lot. I like to normally like run my fingers through it to get a messy look. But if you want yours to be more defined and more like uniform, then I would separate them as I go, and then, you know, twirl them to give it that uniform look. And here I am putting the wig on. Y'all know normally when I put my wigs on, I will adhere it with some type of hairspray for a glueless install, but this one is completely glueless, y'all. I just let the band do its thing, and as you can see, baby, it's laying, it's flat. The lace is giving. I barely put any makeup on it. Like, I probably put like a one or two taps on it after I ended the video, just because that's just my, I, just to like make sure I was good, but I really didn't have to put it on. But like I was able to really wear this unit glueless, and I did it with no baby hairs, as you can see. So we're giving natural, natural, natural. But yeah, y'all, I really love this style. Y'all know I love curls. Any type of curls, I love them. So I really, really love this look. My name's Ludacris and I'm a hell of a guy. Once said I know who you are, I'm your number one fan. And right now it's too bad I got a man, and I said I understand. But where the hell is he at? Cause in a minute if he don't show up, then alright, y'all, so later on I went back in and combed out the curls that I had previously and put in some bigger flexi rods. I cannot remember the size, but I will have it in the description box if you're interested to know. But yeah, I just did some jumbo sections so I can get more of a wavy look this time around. So yeah, so these are two different ways you can do it. Y'all be sure to let me know in the comments if you made it this far in the video. Would you wear yours the curlier way or more on the wavier side? Which type of girl are you? And you know how far one drink can go. Start slurring my speech, slowing up the flow. Hiking up your skirt, climbing up your shirt. It's Mr. Late Night Luda, and I like to flirt. So guess what, baby girl? Take one more drink, I'm just one more. What you wanna do? That's all it's gonna take. If I take one more drink, I'm you. Who else, T-Bag? You too. Alright, y'all, this is the end of the video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Definitely let me know which style you would wear. I would love to know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm going to catch you guys in my next one.